I can see how my compost process is progressing from wherever I am. In the morning, I can quickly check the status of my system. In this case, I started a new batch 2 days ago. I can see the temperature is optimal. And when I click on the temperature icon, I can see the temperature profile and the blower operation. The temperature climbed to above 60 degrees Celsius within 24 hours, and the aeration system is now maintaining it at this optimal temperature. The wireless temperature probe has 2 sensors. We have the controller set to take the average of the 2. I can also set the temperature at which the blowers will turn on to cool the compost. In this case, the blower turns on when the temperature reaches 65 degrees Celsius and turns off when the temperature drops to 63. The wireless probe sends the temperature information to the controller every 5 minutes, except when the blower is on because of high temperature. The probe then sends the temperature to the controller every few seconds to make sure the blower doesn't run too long, and I end up cooling the pile too much. The aeration system controls the air by both temperature and timer. I have the timer set to 1 minute on in a 30-minute cycle. I can adjust all of these parameters at any time. I can also check the battery status of the wireless probes. In this case, the status is yellow, which means that the battery will need charging soon. Here is my batch of compost. The mix is in my insulated composting box that I use for testing different feedstocks. I determine best mixes and the potential of products for composting. Air is blown into the bottom of the box through a raised perforated plenum. As you can see, the hot air exits out of the box, or wherever it can get out. You can see that the compost is continuing to aerate even when the blower is off. The oxygen concentration goes down to 15% just before the blower starts, then goes up to 20 after the blower's on. Let's take a closer look at the temperature probe. It's a 4-foot long Type 316 stainless steel probe. The housing is plastic and filled with nitrogen for moisture protection. The amazing thing is that I don't have to open it to change or charge the batteries. I can simply charge them with an induction charger. The control system contains the computer and will run wherever there's electricity and cell service. This new aeration system, including the wireless temperature probes, is manufactured in Canada by Darwin Automation. They developed the wireless probes 2 years ago and have been operating them in an enclosed compost facility with a less than optimal environment for almost that long. I'm excited about these new wireless temperature probes, aeration controller, and temperature data management system. It maintains optimal temperature environment for a more efficient composting. It also simplifies compost management for me. I can check my compost wherever I am. My name is John Paul. I'm a soil scientist and waste management specialist. Thank you.